Hello, welcome to the channel. Welcome back again to our channel, to the favorite channel whereby we share tips and tricks to WordPress. Now, in today's video, we're going to learn how to add a shop to our website. So this beautiful website over here that we created, if you haven't watched it, please watch this video at the top right there to watch it. The last video we created this beautiful website, we secured it, and then now we want to add a shop to our website so that people can buy something from us and then we will deliver to them. So if you are new over here, please don't forget to subscribe, and let's keep growing together so that we share ideas about WordPress together. Now, this is a very simple one that we're going to do. In this video, we install a plugin. And we use that plugin to build our shop. So we will have a shop at the menu over here, whereby all our products will be listed over there, and then people can order whatever they want to order from us, and then we will deliver to them. So let's get started. So like I said, if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and let's keep growing together. My name is Nasari, but you can call me Kobe. Let's go. So first of all, we're going to log on to our backend of the website. So this is the backend of the website. Now from the backend, we are going to let me expand this one. Yeah. So this is it. We are going to go to straight to plugins over here. Now we hover to plugins over here, and then from plugins we go to add new plugins. So we're going to add new plugins over here. Now we are going to search for Woocommerce. So search for Woocommerce. That is what we will use to build our shop. Yeah, so this right here is what we are looking for. So as you can see, it have over 5 million active installations over here, and then 3,709 reviews with more than 4.5 star rating. So out of 5, it's have more than 5. So we go to install, and then we activate. So our plugin is activated over here. I don't know why we cannot see nothing over here, but our plugin is activated, so because I can see it over here. So what we're going to do is first we're going to go to the WooCommerce settings over here, and then we're going to do some settings over there first. Yeah, so let's go to the settings first. We're going to enter our address, our shop address, where our shop is or our business is located. So let's say our address is in, let me use this one. This is our address, and Accra, and I'm going to choose Ghana. This one, it's in Greater Accra. This one, I'm going to choose Greater Accra, Ghana. Yeah, and then who are we selling to? Selling locations, like the locations that we want to. Do you want to sell to all locations? You can say you can sell to all countries, everything. Now shipping locations, we also want to ship to every country, so we'll leave it just like that, or we choose this one, ship to all countries. And then default customer base location, that is, it could be a shop base address. And then if you want to enable taxes, you can enable taxes, but I don't want to enable taxes. You can also enable coupons over here, and then you can calculate coupon discounts sequentially over here. You can apply, take this one to apply multiple coupons, apply first coupon first, but I'm going to leave it over there. And then you choose your currency. Over here. So what currency are you choosing? I'm going to choose Ghana cedi, or I can decide to choose USD, so that it's gonna be a universal thing. So I'm going to choose dollars, the American dollars. Yeah, I'm going to choose USD, and I'll leave all settings as it is, and then I will click on save changes. Then we save the changes. Okay, so after saving the changes, let's run through all the settings over here. So let's go to products over here and look at the settings too over there. Yes, so yeah, our shop page is already created for us, so we leave it just like that. And then add to cart behavior, so there will be an add to cart wherever somebody add a product to cart. How do you want it to behave? So you do want to redirect the person to the add to cart page, or the cart page straight away, or you want to enable adjust add to cart, so that the button will be there and then it will show that product has been added to cart. So I'm going to leave this one over here because maybe somebody wants to add 4 or 3 or more products over there. You don't have to always redirect the person to the cart page all the time, so I'm going to leave it over there. And then this is a placeholder, so you leave all the settings just like that, and then you click on save changes. And then we're going to go to shipping. For now, we're just going to add a zone, our shipping zone. We're going to add a shipping zone. We're going to add one shipping zone. I'm going to add one shipping zone, which is I want to sell to maybe Ghana. So I'm going to add Ghana over here, and I'm going to add the shipping region. So I'm going to search for Ghana. Yeah, this one, everywhere part of Ghana. I'm going to leave it like that. And then for the shipping method, I want to have a flat rate. You can decide to have a flat rate, free shipping, or local pickup. So I want to have a flat rate, and I can click on edit over here and then enter the cost of the flat rate. Now I want to enter 10 cedis cost for each product bought, and then I don't want it to be taxable, so I remove the tax aspect from it and then click on save over there. That is it. Now the shipping I think is too much. I'm going to add 5 USD. Okay, just 5 USD, and I'll click on save over there, and that is it. So this is okay for our shipping zone. Yeah, so you can decide to add 2 or more shipping zones to it wherever you want to add, but then I'll just add 1 for now, and then let's go. So the next one is the next one is for payment. Now for now I just want to add product to my my shop, and then also I want to set up a payment system. Then a small payment system I want to set up is just cash on delivery. For now I want to set up cash on delivery. We will talk about the payment system in our next video, how to set up a payment system. So I want to set up cash on delivery over here, and then you can decide to click on this setup, and then write whatever description that you want to write, or give it whatever name that you want to give to the cash on delivery over here. But I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to click on save changes. So that is what I'm going to do at the settings over here. Now I'm going to go straight to over here, products, and add products to my store. I'm going to add product to my store. Now before we add product to the store, I still want to check if all the pages are created for us, because we need some pages which needs to be working with our shop. We need the shop page, the cart page, the checkout page, and some other pages. So let me go to all pages and check if all those pages are created for us already. Yes, you see we have the cart page, the checkout page, the my account page, and the shop page, all created for us over there. So that it is. So we can now add our products to our shop. So always make sure that all those pages are created before you start creating products. So what product are we going to create over here? Now I'm gonna just add some few products to it. So I'm gonna set the product name. So let's say I sell computers or maybe phones or whatever it is. So I'm gonna go for, let's say HP laptop 350 gigabyte SSD, and then maybe 8 gig memory, whatever it is. Okay, so that is the product name. Now you can give a brief description about the product. This is the general description of the product, what the product is about and all those things. So you can decide to give a brief description about the product, what kind of product you sell and what is it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to insert some I'm going to give a brief description of my product over here. So I'm going to give a brief description. So this is a description of my product that I'm selling over here. So you make sure that you give a brief description of the product, what the product entails and all those things. That is in the description box over here, in the box over here. Now the next step we're going to do is to set a price for our product. So it's a simple product. Now in in shops or in business products, we have different categories of products, and in WooCommerce we have different categories of products. We have a simple product, we have a group product, an external affiliate product, and then we have variable product. Now a simple product is a product that do not have any variation, so no color, different kinds of colors, maybe just one variation, that is it. And then a group product is product that are grouped together. External or affiliate product are products that you get your source of the product from somebody. It's just like a drop shipping thing. Okay, and then variable product is a product which have different variables. So that is it. So what we are doing is just a simple product, and that is what we're going to do. So we just choose a simple product, and then we also have if it is a virtual product or a downloadable product. Now this is none of them. Okay, it's not a downloadable, it's not a virtual product, it's just a simple product. And then we give the price. So let's say the price is 1000 USD. Okay, that is the regular price. Now you can also set a sale price for it. Maybe you have a regular price of 1000 and then you want to set a sale price for maybe 800 or something, a reduce or discount price. So you give it over here, but I'm not going to set a sale price for it. Now let's look at the inventory over here. So SKU is stock keeping unit. So this is your kind of SKU number that you give to the product that you are selling. So if you want to give it a name or a kind of like a unique number, you give it over here. Okay, so maybe I want to give it HP 0001. I do it over there. Okay, just to manage stock. Okay, and then how many, if I click over here, I'll be able to set the quantity of the product that I have. So let's say but if I untick this one, I will not be able to get the quantity. I just be able to let people know that I have it in stock. Okay, and when it's done, I can change it to out of stock when I don't have any more. But let's say I want to enable stock management. So let's say I have 10 in stock. Okay, I have 10 in stock. Now do you want to accept backdoor orders? No, I don't want to allow it. I want everybody to shop from my website, and that is it. Now when the minimum threshold, that when it is about to get finished, you want people to know. So maybe you set it to 2. The default value is 2. You can reduce it to 1. And do you want to sell it individually? Is this product sold individually, or it can be sold together? Whatever it is, but I'll leave everything as it is over here. Now go to the shipping. Okay, now as of now we don't have any class for it, so I'm not going to talk about shipping classes and all those things. We'll do it in our next video. And then no attribute, and that is all what we're gonna do over here. Okay, now let's go to short description. The sub description will appear just after the featured image. Okay, so we're going to give a small short description over here. So I'm going to say maybe just a small short description so that people will know what I sell. So 8 yeah, so this is just a small short description so that people will know what exactly I sell. So that is a small short description that I want people to see. That is it. Now let's go to the right hand side over here. Now the right hand side, we can set product image or the featured image. Okay, so you can click on set product image, and then you can choose the image that you want to, or the product image that you want. So this is the product that I want to add to it. So let's say I want to use this one as the featured image, but I still want different pictures so that people will know the kind of variety of pictures that I have for it. So I'm going to drop all these pictures over here. I'm gonna drop all these pictures over here, and then I choose this one as my featured image. Okay, and then I'll set it as the featured image. Then I can add product gallery to it so that people will see different pictures of the product that I'm selling. So this one, this one, this one, I choose all these 4 and I add to the product gallery. So that is it. Now let's move on to talk about the product category. Okay, now we haven't set up any category, but to set up category, you can go over here to the left hand side, product, and the product you have add product categories. Okay, you can set up all the categories over here. You can set up tags in it, you can set up attributes too over here. Okay, but we can also set it up over here where we are now. So we can just add new category over here. Now what is it under? It is under let's say computers. The category is computers and accessories. So that is what we do, and then we just click on add categories. Now that is it. Now we can set up any tag for it, so we can add any tag. So we say it's a laptop. It's also HP laptop. So that when people are searching for it, when they type in this keyword, it would bring out what we are selling. So now these are extra settings for your how do you call it, for your team. Okay, what kind of, do you want to disable primary header, all these things? We leave it just like that. We set it to the default one, and all what we have to do is to click on publish. Now our product is published. You can see the product is published, and then we can view the product. So let's try and view the product in a different tab over here. Let's try and view the product in a different tab here. So yes, that is our product over here. As you can see, all set up. So HP blah 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 blah. This is the price, and this is our short description. Like I said, this is the short description, and this over here is a long description. Okay, yeah, this over here is a long description, and this is our footer. Okay, this is our footer. So this is the product that we publish. So when somebody comes to our shop and wants to buy, the person can just click on add to cart. You see, product has been added to cart, so the person can view cart, and the person can view the cart over here. Okay, if there is a coupon, the person have a coupon, the person can add the coupon. If no coupon, the person can go straight ahead to what, to enter, proceed to checkout. So what do? You can decide to calculate shipping, okay, based on where you are. So when you click on calculate shipping, you just select maybe Ghana, Greater Accra, and then maybe you put in your address over there and you update. You realize that we set shipping for it, so it automatically brings out the shipping cost. So you see there's flat rate shipping cost that we set for Ghana. That is it. So now our product is what, 1005, okay, 1005 including shipping. So we can proceed to it, to check out. Yes, now over here you can fill in your billing details, everything. So you can fill in everything that you want to fill over here, your billing details, your address, everything, so that the product can be delivered to you. Now remember that we set up what, pay with cash upon delivery, pay on a cash on delivery. Remember that? Yeah. So when we set up our name over here, our address, let's say this is our address, or the address, let me change this number. Let me change this number and make it +233, this one. Yeah. So let's say this is our address, okay, this is our address, and we can proceed to place order. After filling everything, we can proceed to place order. Yes, so you see, thank you, your order has been received. This is the order number, the date, the email address, the total. The payment method is what, cash on delivery. So pay with cash upon delivery, and then this is the order details over here. Okay, this is the order details, and this is the billing details, the shipping details. So when somebody places an order like this on your shop, and when you go to the back end of the shop, you can go to the Woocommerce orders. Okay, you see it over there. You see this person placed an order over there, and the total price of the thing is what, $1,005. Now let's click on here to check out what really is there. Now that is it. These are the details of the shipping and all those things. So you can check out all those details and all that. So now if you want to if you want the order to be completed, you select this one. Now it is processing. The order is processing. So after doing everything and setting up and shipping all those things, you can click on what, complete over here. Okay, and then you can also decide to email invoice to the customer, or resend order notification, or you can generate download permissions. Okay, but we want to just leave it just like that, and then click on what, update. Or you can also decide to set up a note, to the customer. Okay, note to the customer, or private note, and then you click on update. So the customer is supposed to receive a notification that the order is completed. Now when you complete the order, when the order is completed over here, or when you go to orders again, it is no more processing, but it will be what, completed, just like that over here. Okay, so meaning that you have received the customer's money, and you have sent the product to the person, and that is it. Now this is basically how somebody can, how you can add a product to your shop, and somebody can also go through the the checkout process to buy your things. But how can the person know that you have a product over there? Now we need to add the shop page to our menu list over here, the menu items over here. So let's go to the menu, let's go to our appearance over here and click on menus. Now when we click on menus, you see all those pages created by the WooCommerce plugin for us over here. You see all those pages created over here. So we want to add a shop page to our menu, and then also we want to add another thing, my account. We want to add we want to add these two things, and then we add the logout page to over another. We will see the logout at the WooCommerce endpoint. Now if you don't see it over here, you can check at the screen options over here. Make sure that it is checked over here. So make sure that WooCommerce endpoint is checked over here. When it's checked, you will see it down here. Okay, so when you check this one, now we want to add others, and then we also want to add logout over there. So we click on add. Now we want all these things that we've added. Okay, now the shop, we want it to come near the services. Okay, and then we want all these things we added, the orders and the logout, should be under my account, and these things should come before the contact page. Okay, we want the contact to be last, and then all what we have to do is to save changes. Very good. Now let's go to our website, refresh the website, and see if the changes that we made appeared over there. So you see, so this is our shop, and this is what our orders, and then our how do you call it, the logout page. Now the logout page is not showing over there because we have to change the background color of the drop down values over there. So I will change it later on, but then the most important thing is if you hover over it, I can see it over there, but I'll change it later on. But let's go to the shop and see if the product that we added is at the shop page over there. So yes, this is our shop page, and the product that we added is over here. So everybody who comes to our website can click on shop and see all the products over here. So that is it. That is how you can add, you can decide to add different products over there, and people can add to cart and all those things. That is how we can add products to, or we can add a shop to our website for people to buy. So see you. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, and then we keep giving you tips and tricks of WordPress, how to design free website for yourself, just paying for your hosting and domain name and all those things. Now if you need cheap domain name, check out the description over there. You see a link over there, just click on it and it will send you to a page where you can buy cheap domain name and hosting for a very few dollars. So don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.